In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a pop-up to your GoDaddy website in a simple and user-friendly manner. This technique is useful if you want to interact with your website visitors, perhaps to gather emails, distribute coupons, or simply provide some critical piece of information. Start by navigating to your GoDaddy product page. Here, you will find all the products that you have purchased from GoDaddy. Look for your website in the product list. Then find the Manage option situated somewhere next to the website name. There's no need to rush, take your time, and once you locate the Manage button, feel free to select it. Following that, your attention should be focused on the Edit Website button. Don't be afraid to click it, because this will open up the editor, unlocking a whole suite of editing tools that can help you enhance the mechanics and aesthetics of your website. Next, let's step inside the actual editor. At the top of the page, you will see a tab labeled as Website. You need to select this as it's your gateway to creating the pop-up. After selecting Website, your next stop is at the shortcuts located at the bottom of the editor. From there, you will have to choose Pop-up. The fun starts now. The pop-up window will open, showing you a myriad of customization options. You now have the power to shape how your pop-up will look and feel to your visitors. Feel free to enable the pop-up and then start crafting a catchy title and a compelling description. These two elements will be the first things your visitors see, so make sure they encapsulate the message you want to convey in the most effective manner. Moreover, you need to configure the Action button, which could be anything from Sign Up to Learn More. The choice is completely yours. Finally, it's time to decide on the delay settings. These settings will determine when the pop-up should appear after a visitor lands on your page. Remember, the appearance time of the pop-up is crucial. You do not want to annoy your visitors by showing it too soon, nor do you want to lose the opportunity by showing it too late. Once you're satisfied with all the choices you have made and the customization you have done, take a moment to review everything. If you think your pop-up is ready to see the light of the day, go ahead and save your changes. Just look for the Done button and click it. And you're done. Congratulations! You've successfully added a pop-up to your GoDaddy website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting until you get the desired results.